everybody, it's Andrew from Skyview Electronics. I just want to talk to you about a customer that we just did a cell booster job for. They had an office building here with about 7 people working in the office, and they relied upon cell signal for their internet and their communication on their cell phones. They had poor signal in the building, and they were only getting about 1 megabit down for speed. After we put in this cell booster antenna on the roof with an amplifier inside, the customer is now able to get 30 megabits down for their internet speed, and everybody has full LTE on all their cell phones. We also ran a few Cat 6 network drops into their conference room so that they could use that for someone who wanted to show a presentation on the TV in there. If you're having problems with your network or cell signal in your office, give Skyview Electronics a call. We'll definitely be able to help you out.